Hi, I'm Franz, and this is After Effects, and let's see how to start working with the layers. So let's create new composition. Okay, and automatically you can see that our first layer is created. To create the new one, you have to go to Layers and choose New, and here you can choose which exact layer do you need. Let it be solid. In my case, okay, you choose all the parameters. If it's okay, click OK. Now you can see that I have two layers, and new layer is layer number 1, and it's on the top. And always you can see the layer which is on the top. So I will remove it under my layer, drag and drop it. And now you see our first layer, and under it the new one. In order to delete some layer, you have to choose it, go to Edit, and choose Clear. The layer is deleted. If you want to copy the layer, choose it, go to Edit, and choose Copy, maybe Paste, or you can duplicate the layer. And that's it for now. Thank you. Bye.